All right, we're at Supercar Saturdays in Fort Lauderdale. It looks like it's about to rain, but the weather is cooler today and the cars are incredible. Let's start off in the Asian section and we will go from there. As always, I'll keep the video moving fast. Already on to Germany. Vintage Porsche Boxster, quite nice. I like this yellow R8. What do you think of that? Maserati. Looks like a BMW section. Excellent RS7 Audi. Listen to that sound. A couple guys on bikes. It's kind of a zoo here today. I think because the weather is cooler, there's more people. The off season is over. Nice Aston Martin, Lamborghini, Carrera T. Well, that's a cool paint job.
Only a few miles. It's at a mall. It's just like literally just full of paint job.
All right, let's head over to the Lamborghini and Ferrari section. Oh, and how can I forget McLaren? Someone's having a good time. Oh, nice, an A12. There was an SF90 here earlier. I'm not sure where they went. And the Racing Edition Audi wagon. Man, I love that. By the way, put in the comments which one of these so far has been your favorite. Oh, look, a roll cage. I wonder why this guy's wheels are so tiny. Got the 6x6, that's the Hellcat engine, Apocalypse, I believe, the Hellfire. $1K Motorsports having a good time. The crowd following them. Vintage Benz. The Mary Lou's Coffee looking G-Wagon. And a lot of commotion going on down here. Let's check that out. Oh, we got this Lamborghini leaving. Yeah, that truck, by the way, was the Mega Raptor. I've never heard of that. If anyone knows anything about it, please let me know. Which one of these Lamborghinis would you rather have? All right, ending the video.